Folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and today I'll be teaching you how to draw a circle of given radius to touch a given straight line and a circle. So in this case, we'll have a given straight line, let's call it AB, and then we'll have a given circle at the left. Now the first thing to do is to draw a line parallel to the line, the given straight line, at a distance equal to the radius of the required circle. So imagine if we're going to draw a circle to touch each of these, and we want the radius of the circle to be 2 centimeter or 2.5. Let's make it 2.5. So we're going to draw parallel lines at a distance of 2.5. So I'm opening my compass to 2.5, and the first thing when you have to draw parallel lines, you just draw arcs above the line at two extremes of the line. Then you join the top of the arcs together. So as you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing. Join the top of this arcs. Now this is the parallel line. It is a faint line because it's a construction line. Now the next thing to do is to open that same take the length of the radius of the required circle and add the radius of the given circle to it. So in this case, we have the radius of the given circle. One method which I would like to use is you just measure the put your ruler along the radius, then open to the radius of the given circle. Then you are now going to extend your compass till you get to 2.5 distance away. That will be 11.5. So now this is a good method. So the next thing for you to do is you cut the parallel line. So in this case, this distance is actually far, but I will try cutting it. So it's actually got down. So I will extend the line to below it. I will extend the line. Now that place where it intersects the parallel line will be the center of the required circle. And then all you need to do is you extend your compass till it touches the circle, the given circle, and then you swing it. So when you swing it, you are going to get a circle that, or let's say you are going to get an arc. Let's extend it till you get to the required circle. So when you swing it, you are going to get an arc that touches both the circle and the line. So this is an arc, or let's call it a circle, because it's still part of a circle. So this is a circle that touches a given circle and a given straight line.